We have these fancy Ohuhu Gel Ink Pens, right?
Uh-huh. We have white, silver, and gold.
Yeah. And we've been using these as accents for our Gabby's Dollhouse character eyes, right?
Yep.
And their shirts.
Yeah.
Or any other glittery place that we wanted to use it for.
Yeah.
But today we're actually going to just use the gel ink pens on this fancy black paper, right?
Uh-huh.
Just to show how well it works. And we can talk about why we like them and how to use them. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so grab a couple. As you can see, there's a lot more white gel ink pens than these sparkly gold and silver ones. And I think it's because there's more uses for white when you're just drawing regular things, right?
Yeah.
But we love the sparkly gold and silver ones. So today, let's draw some snowflakes
Yep.
to show how sparkly these markers can be.
Let's start with white.
Perfect. So we're going to grab our white gel ink pen and start drawing some snowflakes. So we're gonna draw 3 different types of snowflakes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And with the white one, we'll start simple. We're going to draw 3 lines, and they have to be evenly spaced, but a way to do that easily is by drawing an X, a sideways X. So let's draw 1 line across. Oh, it takes a little bit to get the ink out, huh?
Yeah.
And then another diagonal.
I'm not sure this one works.
Let's,
Oh, there we go.
yeah, okay. Yeah, it takes a little bit of rolling in the beginning because these are new. So we drew an X with our white gel ink pens. Oh, you already did the middle line. Okay, I need to catch up. So I'm gonna draw 1 line down like this, 2, just like Mia. And you can see the white shows perfectly on the black paper, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay, from here we're gonna draw circles at the very end tips of our lines that we drew. So draw a circle at each of the 6 tips that we drew. Good job. And then in the inside of our snowflake, we're going to draw 1 pointy on each of the gaps in between our lines. So kind of like how you're drawing a triangle, but in the end it makes this diamond shape with the line that's already there. So try to make it even all across, but it doesn't have to be perfect. What's a fun fact about snowflakes, Mia?
They're frozen water droplets.
Yeah. And also, they're all unique, right?
Yeah.
There's never the same snowflake, which is really, really cool. Okay, so we're gonna draw one more thing on our snowflake, and it's gonna be a V shape, like this. And it's gonna be just in between the line where we drew the circle and the diamond shape in the middle. So a V shape just on the line, just like this. And as we said, we're going to draw 3 different snowflakes, but there's never just one way or just 3 ways, because snowflakes can be shaped however way you want, right? Okay, so that's 1 snowflake. Super cool. Got these white ink that just can write on the pen, on the paper, just like that, right? Okay, which one should we do next?
Silver.
Okay, silver. And we love the silver because it's so glittery.
I like the gold too.
Yes, me too. Okay, we'll tell everybody which one our favorite one is at the end, yeah? Okay, so we're going to start with just the same X shape, sideways X, and then a line in between. So I'm gonna draw it right here on the bottom in the middle, and think I need to roll it around a little bit for the pen to work because it's new. Here we go, the ink's coming out now. Okay, and another line to make my X.
And then in the middle?
Yep, in the middle, you got it. Oh, I missed that middle just a little bit. I'll make this one a little thicker so I can get to the middle. Yeah. Okay, for this one, let's draw some diamond shapes. So we're going to draw diamond shapes at the end point of each of our snowflake lines. So that means draw a V at the end and then draw another upside down V to make a perfect diamond. And then we're going to draw that all across at each line that we drew. And they don't all have to be perfect or the same shape. Just needs to be a diamond or some sort of shape, really.
Did you know a diamond is just a square turned?
Oh yeah, you're right. If you draw a perfect square
On a corner, then you got a diamond.
Exactly. Good job, Mia. Lots of great shape activities today, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, and I like to draw a little line in between each of these so it looks different than the first one we drew. So let's just draw a little line to connect each of our first 3 lines to make a hexagon shape, pretty much. That means a shape with 6 sides. Perfect. And then I'm actually going to draw some circles in between each of the lines. So just as kind of like a decoration, I'm gonna draw a circle. It's not connected, but it still looks pretty, huh? And then I like drawing the V shapes again, so I'll draw 2 more V shapes in between the hexagon that we drew and the diamond that we drew. Just like this. And then we have to go all across again. This one's a little bit more intricate looking, huh? Have you ever played in the snow?
Yeah, we had a snow day a few days ago.
Yeah, you were off of school, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and you went sledding.
Yep.
That was fun. Okay, so that's our silver one.
Let's do gold.
Yeah, let's do gold. Awesome. And our last snowflake, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to start the same way where we draw the X and then the line in the middle. So let's do that really quick. And I have to roll it around just a little bit for the gold to come out. These are new markers that we got from your auntie.
Mm-hmm.
They're from Ohuhu and we've been really loving it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I have a feeling I know which one's my favorite.
You do? Okay, save it till the end. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna draw more circles. So let's draw a circle at the tip of each of our lines.
Do you know which one's your favorite?
I think I have my favorite. Yes. I'm not gonna share it yet.
Me neither.
Okay, so got the circles. And then we're gonna draw one more circle on each of the lines, but inward a little bit more and a little bigger too. And I'm gonna color that one in, actually. Yeah, good job. Lots of gold here. Gold glitter.
Gold blast.
Golden Blast?
Yeah.
Where's that from?
Rescue Riders?
Rescue Riders. You love Rescue Riders. That's a dragon show, right?
Uh-huh.
Golden glitter. And then for this one, we're gonna make some curved bumps in the middle. Instead of so angular like the first two, we're gonna draw kind of like flower petals, but a curve. Like this, in between the lines that we drew in the beginning. Just to make it different. And then we're gonna draw a little small circle in between those shapes. Yeah. And then just one more touch. If you have room, I have a little bit of space here still, so I'm gonna draw a curve like this, like a smiley face. If you have room, you can do that too. But it's okay if it looks different too, because like we said earlier, no snowflake is the same, right? Ooh, so fancy! Okay.
I'm gonna draw a diamond in the middle.
Whoa, very creative. I'm gonna draw some more gold and glitter. Just on the side, a little bit more. See how fancy it is? It draws on the black paper so nicely. Okay, let's show our art along friends a little bit closer. Can you see the shimmer? Okay, show yours too, Mia. Yeah. Good job. Awesome.
Gold shimmer.
Yeah.
Can you see that gold shimmer? It's a little blurry.
There we go. Okay, which one was your favorite?
Gold.
Gold? Mine's silver. Silver and gold. Okay, silver and gold for the win. And then the white's still fun too, but it's not so glittery and shimmery, right? Yeah. And which one's your favorite snowflake?
The gold one.
Yeah, me too. I like the gold one because I think this one's very unique.
Yeah.
It's very rounded versus the other ones are a little bit more edgy and sharp.
Yeah.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this shorter lesson where we showcased our cool gel ink pens.
And if you don't have these gel ink pens, feel free to just draw snowflakes with us.
Yeah, and you can just use any other art supplies, right?
Yep.
Yeah, awesome. Well, see you next time.